Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add widget to the home screen in the HiPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And at the widget section, click on the add widget to home screen button. So first you need to go to the home screen and then just tap long on the empty screen and then click on the plus sign at the top of the page on the left. And then just search for the HiPal widget and click on that. And then click on the add widget button and then click on the done button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.